a dairy farmer in the Paduka region of Sri Lanka. Keeping cattle has been his main source of income since the age of 15. The farmer, W. Padmasiri Walpola, says his dairy business has earned him enough income to build a house and send his 3 children to school. Not long ago, one of the greatest threats to people with livestock here was rinderpest, the fast-moving cattle plague that has triggered 3 major epidemics in Sri Lanka in the past century. For millennia, rinderpest was dreaded worldwide. It repeatedly swept through Asia, Africa, and Europe, killing 80 to 100% of infected animals in a matter of days.
In the past, when rinderpest was sort of wiping out many number of animals in many countries, it was described by farmers as a disease which caused the animals to cry, purge, and die.
In recent decades, close international coordination and groundbreaking vaccine technology led to unprecedented progress against the disease. No one has seen a case of rinderpest anywhere in the world since 2001. In 2010, cattle in Sri Lanka became among the last animals in the world to undergo testing for remaining traces of the rinderpest virus. It was the final phase of a global campaign to eradicate the disease, coordinated since 1994 by the UN Food and Agriculture Organization. The testing was required to confirm that the virus was indeed gone from all but a few laboratory samples worldwide, thus making rinderpest only the 2nd disease after smallpox to be eradicated thanks to human efforts. For dairy farmer Ajit Harabakada, that's welcome news. He says any disease capable of wiping out his herd would be a catastrophe, not only for him, but for his sons, who are learning traditional farming techniques handed down from one generation to the next. The eradication process was built on years of close collaboration with the World Organization for Animal Health, other institutional partners, governments, communities, and key donors like the European Union. It was only by working together that they were finally able to outrun a disease that knew no national borders.
By having had a good vaccine and eradicating rinderpest, I think from a food security point of view, this is a tremendous accomplishment.
Even as they celebrate their accomplishment, rinderpest experts are thinking about the next step. They're sharing what they've learned about the disease with other veterinarians, researchers, governments, and people who work with livestock and wildlife. Their main objective now is to improve research, disease monitoring, and control, along with public awareness, to use what they know to improve animal health and human well-being.